Hi, my name is Mei Lo. I just successfully defended my thesis with distinction. I'll be awarded the dual PhD degree from University Putra Malaysia, University of PM and Marie Curie under this Cotutelle program. So what exactly is this Cotutelle program? It's actually a collaborative effort between two universities from two different countries in which the student can actually spend time in two different countries doing their doctoral thesis and being supervised by two different thesis directors from two universities. So by the end of their thesis, they are actually awarded 2 degrees each from the respective university. I started my PhD in 2010, same year that I graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry student, also from University Putra Malaysia. I joined a group of Professor Karen Ancross from the Chemistry Department, Faculty of Science, UPM, working on the synthesis, characterization, biological activity, i.e. anti-cancer and antibacterial activity of dithicarbazate-derived shoe bases and their metal complexes. So this work is based on the flourishing arena of metal medicine. So I mean, like for instance, at this moment, the challenge of multi-drug resistance to treat bacterial infection is obviously a serious and continuous challenge in drug discovery, and there's certainly an urgent need to treat the disease, because the multi-drug resistance actually reduce the therapeutic effect of conventional and commercial antibiotics. So that's where I come in to make new drugs from metal complexes. So that means it's a rich platform to design new compound for metal complexes. I mean, you can design different kind of ligand and mix and match them with different kind of metal complex, giving you new compound with interesting physical chemical property and also biological activity. During my first year, I actually tried to look for opportunity to do a research attachment overseas. So it just by chance one day I saw an advertisement in the School of Graduate Study of website of University of Putra Malaysia of this Mahewah program. So this Mahewah program is under this Ramus Mandas program, in which it's like a mobility program that offers scholarship for students and academic staff to further their research in Europe. So I just thought, like, why not apply? And I applied and I just got it. Why University of PA and Marie Curie? I would say that when in the Erasmus Mundus Mahewah program, there's actually a list of partner university. So UPM is one of the Asian university, and we get to choose a list of European university. And I choose UPMC because one of the reasons is because it's a very reputable university in terms of science and medicine. And it's named after the great scientists Marie and Pierre Curie. So they are my idols, scientific idols. So for me to be there is a great honor. And also another important reason is because of the compatibility of the research interests. I wanted to join the group of Professor Cotutelle of the Laboratory of Biomolecule of UPMC. Because of the work they're doing at that time, and they're doing interesting work, exciting work. When I applied to them, and they're still doing exciting work now. I believe that their work can actually allows me to expand the work that I'm doing, and I really like the concept of the work they are doing, and I feel I can introduce it towards my compound. So I'm just so fortunate that I was accepted to her group, and Professor Cotutelle and Dr. Nicholas Delsa became my supervisor in France. So from this, it is an incredible opportunity for me in terms of research, because it allows me to introduce pioneering synthetic work with the class of compound that I had. In terms of, we actually do some conjugation work with vectors, which actually enhance the compound in terms of water solubility, activity, and cell permeability. So it was by the end of the day, we actually make a very improvised compound to treat the diseases. And also there's a lot of collaboration going on. I was very fortunate that I was assigned, I get to collaborate with a researcher in CA Saclay and in Marseille, another state of France. And all this, I was exposed to different physical chemical characterization, and all this collaboration and characterization actually helped me to open up a new window of understanding towards my field of study.
When we first discussed the possibility of Mei Li becoming involved with the Cotutelle program, there were mixed feelings. Certainly, I thought it would be an excellent experience for her. There was no question of that. And that is losing an excellent student from our group, even for a short period of time. My fears were unfounded. Indeed, I believe the experience was wonderful for Mei Li, and it also extended back to the group. I would strongly recommend that any student who is eligible for such a program consider applying for the program. It's not easy. You're out of your comfort zone, you're going into something new, and you're still tied to the original time frame. It's a leap of faith, but I think the benefits accrued are immeasurable.
As a concluding remark, I just want to say it's been a great learning experience, and I'm just so thankful to have this opportunity to be part of the Cotutelle program. I'd like to thank obviously my supervisor in Malaysia, Professor Karen Kraus, and also my supervisors in France, Professor Clotilde Policar, and also Dr. Nicola Delsa, for giving me the opportunity, incredible opportunity, by accepting me to their lab, and my lab mates, and also those people that involved to facilitate my my program, the Mahewa team, the UPMC international team, and the School of Graduate Studies. So I'm just so thankful for everything. Yeah, thank you, Prof.
All the best.